Hello everyone and welcome. Welcome to our virtual class. Class 1. Subject English. Topic number 4. Once I saw a little bird. Yes, today we are going to start our next portion, that is number 4. Once I saw a little bird. Yes, this is a poem. This is a short poem. Very interesting poem. This is, yes, as we can see in the title, this is a poem about a little bird. So children, shall we start? So take out your English textbook, children. Now you have to open page number 36. So open everyone. Very good. Children, as you can see, this is a picture. Yes, in that picture we can see one boy. Yes, and another one picture is of a bird. Can you identify this bird, children? Yes, this is a parrot. Yes, we can identify by the beak of this bird. This is a parrot. Yes, children. So now see, before start our poem, we will see warm up. So children, warm up. If you had a pet parrot, what would you teach it to say? Write the words or expressions. As you can see in the picture, place has given there in that two lines. You have to write the words or the expressions which would you like to teach, to say, to teach to your pet parrot. So children, would you like to keep a pet like parrot? Okay. So if you have a pet parrot, children, so what would you teach it to say? Children, parrot is the bird that it has a ability of speech. Yes, it can speech. In the birds, we can see that this bird, it can talk very well. Yes. So which are the words that we can teach it? Yes. So first one, children, we can teach it like hello. Yes, hello. That bird, it is very easy and also uh, easy to learn that pet also, that parrot also. Another one is a name. Yes, another word is its name or any family member's name, that if we will teach it, that it also encourage. Yes, that bird also encourage. So these things, these small words we can teach our pet parrot. Next one, we can also teach a song. Yes, we can also teach a song. Yes, so answer is vary. Answer may be vary, children. So you have to write your own answer in that two lines. Got it, children? So shall we move forward? So yes. Now you have to open page number 37. First of all, we will read this poem. Yes, we will sing this poem. So children, try to sing with me. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Did you like, children? So shall we sing again? Yes. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Yes, is it interesting, no? So, yes, now I will explain this poem. Reading. Read this poem about a bird that a child sees. Yes, as we have seen this poem, Now I am going to explain you. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Now children, as we can see, this is a bird. This is a bird. Now, in that poem, there is a one boy. Yes, and that boy, he has a seen or he saw a little bird. Yes, once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So children, what is meant by this hop? Hop, it means to move and jump forward. Yes, hop, it means what? To move and jump forward. So we can see generally the bird hop. Yes, they jump and move forward. Yes. So in that poem, there is one boy and he saw a little bird, and that bird, what is doing? Hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So after looking that bird, that boy, he cried, he shout, he he calling, yes, he is calling loudly. Cried, it means he is calling loudly or he shout, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Now, as he can see, the bird, what is doing? Hop, hop, hop. So that boy, he cried, he shout loudly, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Yes, hope you are getting children. Got it? So after looking that boy is saying, stop, stop, stop. Now, as we can see, this is a short poem and two stanzas has given here. Now, we will move to the next stanza. Yes. Anne was going to the window to say, how do you do? Now, children, as we can see in the picture also. See the picture? Yes. That boy, now, he is going to the window to say that bird, how do you do? Actually, when first time we meet to someone, so at that time we ask this question as a formality. Yes, how do you do? So that word also, that thing also he want to ask that bird, little bird, stop, how do you do? For that he is going to the window, but what happened? Is this bird he stopped there? No, but he shook his little tail and far away he flew. But that bird shook. It means what? Shook is the past tense of shake. Do you know shake? To move? Yes. But what he did? He shook his little tail. Tail, it means what, children? As you can see in your textbook, new words has given here. The long part at the back side of the body of the birds. It's called tail. Yes, bird or animal. So, but he shook his little tail and far away he flew. He didn't listen to that boy. He shook his little tail and far away he flew. Yes, he didn't stop. He didn't stop there after hearing the voice of that boy. That boy want to ask something. That boy um, want to be asked something to that bird, that how do you do? Stop, bird. But he is not listening to that boy, and he shook his little tail and far away he flew. So children, in this way we learn this poem, very simple and very interesting. See children, sometimes you also might have seen, yes, the bird, yes, and when you go to near to see, so what it happen? it fly away. Fly away far. Yes. So children, like that in that poem also, that boy, what he is doing? He is trying to ask something to that bird, but what that bird did? He shook his little tail and far away he flew. So children, in this way, we have learned this poem. We have completed this poem. So children, I hope you got that poem very well. So I would like to ask you a question. What was the bird doing? What was the bird doing, children? So the bird was hopping. The bird was hopping. Yes, children. So this was a very interesting and easy poem. Hope you got it very well. So children, you have to read this poem. You have to sing this poem. Now, what you have to do? You have to do PH. Yes. What is a PH? Read the poem aloud with proper rhythm and intonation and send audio clip. Yes, you have to read this poem aloud with proper rhythm and intonation and you have to send audio clip on group. Yes, children. So this is your PH. Yes. So go through it, children. Thank you.